The physical therapist should wash her hands, introduce herself to the patient, ask for permission, and explain what she will be doing today.
Hi, my name is Madeline Wilkinson. I'm the student physical therapist. How are you?
Good.
Good. So today I'm going to be listening to your lungs. So is it okay if I do that with you today?
Yes.
Great.
The patient should be sitting in an upright, comfortable position. The PT would ask the patient to remove clothing that would obstruct their recording sites, but we will not be removing clothing for this video. The stethoscope should be warmed by the PT with their hand. The stethoscope should go on the bare skin and should not be obstructed with any external objects. The patient will breathe in and out through the mouth, taking long, deep breaths.
All right, so nice big breaths.
There are 8 anterior auscultation points. We should use the sternum as a reference point.
All right.
There are also 8 posterior auscultation points. We should use the scapula as a reference point on either side of the spine. The last 2 points are the triangles of auscultation. Normal breath sounds are clear, free from any crackling, wheezing, or raspy breaths.
You can turn around and face me.
The patient should return any clothing that they had taken off, and the physical therapist should ask if the patient has any questions.
All right, well, so we're all set. Do you have any last minute questions for me?
No, I think I'm good.
All right, great. Have a great day.
Thank you.
While it was demonstrated in the video, this is a clearer representation of the 8 anterior and the 8 posterior auscultation points.